Are you tired of being stuck with an old, embarrassing eBay username? Maybe you made it years ago, and now it just feels outdated or unprofessional. In 60 seconds, I will show you exactly how to change it. We will get you a fresh username that actually reflects who you are today. Here is the plan. First, log into your eBay account. Then, we will walk through the settings menu together, step by step, to update your username. It is simpler than you think. All right, let us get started. Grab your computer and open up your web browser. Go ahead and head over to ebay.com. You will need to sign into your account. Enter your email address or username and your password. This is the same login you always use, so take a second to make sure it goes through. Once you are logged in, look to the left side of the page. You should see your name listed there. Go ahead and hover your cursor right over that name. A small menu should pop up. From that menu, click on Account Settings. I know it can be easy to miss, so just make sure you are clicking directly on that option. Now, you will see a page with several tabs and sections. What we need to do is click on Account from the list on the left-hand side. This will bring you to a new screen. On the left sidebar again, look for the section that says Personal Info. Underneath that, click on Personal Information. It sounds redundant, I know, but just follow that exact path. Give the page a second to load. This will bring up all your personal details. Now, scroll down a little bit until you find the section labeled Username. It should be pretty easy to spot. On the right side of that username section, you will see an Edit button. Go ahead and click that. A box will appear where you can type in a new username. This is your chance to pick something clean and professional. Take your time with this, because once you save it, this change affects how people see you across the entire site. Once you have your new username typed in, look for the Save button and click it. eBay may take a moment to process the change, so just be patient. And that is it. You are done. Your username is now updated. See how easy that was? You can close out of the settings or go check out your profile to see the new name in action. If this tutorial helped you out, please consider subscribing for more straightforward tech guides. I will catch you in the next video.